Today we're going to be doing our Astros 1.2C1. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to look at these numbers. I see 4 minus 1, so I know I have 4. I take away 1, and that leaves me with 3. I have 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm adding 2 more, 5, 6, 7. I have 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I see they want me to take away 1, so I'm going to cross off 1, and that leaves me with 4. The next problem, which number goes in the empty space? I have 19 something, 21, 22, 23. So I'm going to look, 19, 24, that does not make sense. 19, 18, no, because 18 is less than 19. 19, 20, that could make sense because 19, 20 is greater than 19, but less than 21. And I have 16, which I know is less than 19. Then I'm going to check 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. That makes sense. So this is my correct answer. Nathan has 10 cars. Beth has 16 cars. Using tally marks, show how many cars Beth has. Okay, well, what do I know? I know Nathan has 10 cars. I know Beth has 16 cars. And I know they want me to use tally marks to show how many cars Beth has. So I know I don't even need this information about Nathan. I'm going to cross it off to help me remember I don't need it. So I know Beth has 16 cars, so we're going to show that with tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4. When I get to 5, I'm going to do a diagonal. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And that is reasonable because I'm looking for just how many tally marks Beth has, and it says 16. 5, 10, 15, 16. There were 4 balloons. 3 balloons blew away. How many balloons are left? Write a number sentence to solve the answer. Well, I know I had 4 balloons. I know I'm separating because 3 flew away, so I lost 3, so I'm going to put minus. And I'm separating 3, and I'm going to look at my picture here, and I have 4, and I take away 3, so I have 1 balloon left. How many 10s and 1s are below? So I'm going to count 10, 20, 30. So I have 3 10s, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4 leftover 1s. So I really have 30 plus 4 if I was to write that in expanded form, or 34 in standard form. I'm going to write each number. There's 8 10s, or 8 groups of 10s in 82, and 2 1s. There's 6 groups of 10s in 65, and 5 1s. Write the standard and the expanded form for the number 6 10s and 4 1s. Well, I know I have 6 10s and 4 1s, which is really 60 plus 4 equals 64. And I'm going to draw a picture using 10s and 1s to show the number 35. So I'm going to draw 3 groups of 10, 10, 20, 30. And I'm going to have 5 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.